We are back. Back brake is repaired. Let's test it out. Okay, first side. Brake is working really well. Like brake pressure is 10 out of 10, and the power of the brake is also really good. So I'd say the brake is right now the brake is working really good. The only problem is last time it also worked really good, and then the brake line got loose like something, and I had no pressure. So I hope it works out this time. I'm really scared to wheelie because of this issue, but let's see. Okay, up until now everything is working fine. Let's check it real quick. Okay, let's give you an overview real quick. I installed the surron surron Ultra B brakes, and I have the hand brake, the foot brake. I don't know, this is like kind of another caliper. It's not the original Ultra B one. That's my foot brake. I installed it like a bit deeper to have more brake pressure. Hella awkward. I overtook these bikers a minute ago, and now they're in front again, and I have to go this way. And I got the two brake calipers in the back. Oh, that's the calipers, my bad. With the bigger disc and the bigger pads. And this is another brake line because the other one was missing, so I had another brake line. So I hope the setup works this time. Yeah, let's continue. Maybe let's try to pop one small wheelie here. Like a slow wheelie. I'm using both at the moment, like foot and hand brake. I really don't trust the foot brake at all after the crash last time. I can show you a video of the crash. Okay, the foot brake definitely works, but it's hella awkward to brake with my foot. I'm not used to it on my surron. Okay. I see the vision. I see the potential. Okay, the handbrake still works pretty good. It's really it's nearly too much power I have with my handbrake. That's really crazy. This thing is like, it's so strong. For this small bike it has so much pressure. Oh, no brake pressure. Completely gone. Yeah. Gone again. Oh, I'm glad I checked. Let's stop there and check the reason why. Okay, this one got pressure. And this one too. I mean, this one should always have pressure. Where is it leaking again? I don't know where it's leaking. What the fuck? Where is it leaking? Isn't it leaking? Why don't I have pressure? Oh, it's leaking there. Okay, it's leaking right there. So, oh, it's even. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Attempt 2, still not working properly. This one is still. I don't know the English word, but it's still leaking. Yeah, there's not much I can do about it now, but I think it helps to know that I shouldn't use this brake now again. So attempt 2 is already failed. I'd say we'll still ride this bike around. I have to go over there. Yeah, pretty shitty. Uh-oh. And I've lost my title. Scheiße. Found my title again. Everything's going wrong today, what the fuck. Brake's not working again. Title lost. At least I found it already. I knew it must have came out back there. but yeah, kinda shitty day, not day, kinda shitty ride. But even though my brake test failed and I couldn't show you any foot brake wheelies now, I really wanted to show you my bike. Last week my 450, this week the Surron. I think we can see the 150 next week. Even with failing my mission today with the bike, I think this will be the video for today, for this week. I don't know, maybe there's coming a video tomorrow, but I don't think so. Okay, I will finish my testing round now. I hope you enjoyed watching, even though the video was really short and disappointing. But I hope I could give you another insight in my bike life, in my endurance life. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to leave a follow and write a comment to what you enjoyed, what I could do better. And I hope we see each other next week. Yeah, it would be really nice. Bye bye. Okay, it's not over yet, as you can see. There was pretty heavy rain just 5 minutes from now, and everything's wet. But I have to get home with the Surron, so I'll take you with me now, trying to get home, because I need to get over there. And the storm came from this side where it's better now, but it went there, and I have to go there. So it will be pretty interesting if I'm slow enough to be home when it stopped raining, but I need to be home in like 15 minutes at max, or I will be late. Oh shit! I'm really scared of driving home, but I figured there's no easier way than just driving. It rounds up the video. So we had the brake failure, the loss of the papers and the title, and now the storm. So I think this evening sums up pretty well. I just want to get home. I think you understand my issue. My back tire slips so easy. Holy shit! Like it's completely worn down as well, and it slips so easy. Okay, I think I'm good, because the storm is now over there, but it really looks scary with the lightnings and everything. But I think I should be good. Thank you all for watching. The lightnings keep striking, and you strike the follow button right now. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.